done?
Yes.
You think you're done? You're sure you're done?
Yes, I'm sure I'm done.
So before you remove the blindfolds, how do you think you've done? From a range of 1 to 10, 10 being the best.
I think I did 6 or 7, a 7.
You can remove the blindfolds. Yeah, so what's up, guys? Welcome back to Justus Drinks. It's your boy Justus. So today I'm here with
Sheila Wangui.
yeah, and today she's going to do the blindfold challenge. So I really can't wait to see what this is going to turn out as. She also has a podcast. Yeah, go check her out. Yeah, the link to her IG will be in the description. Yeah, let's get right into the video. Yeah, so she's going to put on the blindfolds so that you guys can see she's not cheating, and I've already tested them, so yeah, she should not be seeing anything. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, so do you know where the pencil is?
No. There.
Do you know where the book is? Okay, so yeah, she's going to start drawing. Today she'll be drawing a girl, so yeah, let's see what she's going to draw. Okay, so yeah, you can start.
So I'll start with the head.
You can talk us through what you're drawing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm starting with the head.
Yeah, you're doing good.
Really?
Yeah.
I want to put the hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Then I don't know.
So that was the hair.
No,
Okay.
I'm not done.
Okay.
I'm supposed to shade. Quite lost track. So this is the part where the hair is. Shading it like that. Yes. Then we proceed. Okay, have the ears like that. Then we have the eyes.
Wow, those are perfect, by the way.
Have the eyebrows. And then we proceed. Mouth. Okay. Then now we go to the neck.
Okay, the neck.
Then we have the hands like that.
Are you drawing a stick figure?
No, not a stick figure.
Okay.
Oh my god. No, you've lost me. Okay.
You're doing alright. Continue.
I'm fine. Okay. Then that's the waist. Then that's the dress. That. Am I doing good?
Yeah, you're doing good. You're doing awesome.
Okay. Then
So what's that?
it's the dress. So I'm supposed to shade it like this. Okay. Then we have we proceed okay to the legs. No. We should have a rubber. Okay.
Do you want a rubber?
Yes.
Okay, so here's your rubber.
Thank you. God. Okay. I wish you could feel.
So what do you want to wrap?
The legs.
Okay.
Yeah. Where are the legs? No. I think it was here. Yes.
So you are redrawing them, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
What? I don't know the shape I want the legs to take. What? Oh my god.
What are you doing?
I'm like trying to shade the legs kiasi.
Okay.
Just a little. I think it's complete.
You think you're done?
Yes.
You think you're done? You're sure you're done?
Yes, I'm sure I'm done.
So before you remove the blindfolds, how do you think you've done? From a range of 1 to 10, 10 being the best.
I think I did a 6 or a 7. A 7.
Yes. Okay, let me know in the comment section what you think she did. Yeah, so okay. You can remove the blindfolds. So take us through what you think that was.
I don't know about this, but this might have been the eyes, the eyebrows, the mouth. I was doing good. I lost it at the hands. I didn't finish. Okay. This was the dress.
Then
what's going on with the legs though?
Why do you think you were rubbing?
I was rubbing. I thought I was rubbing this this part, but I don't know what I rubbed because I can't. Did I rub here? Oh my god, this is not a girl. I've never seen such a girl.
Yeah, you heard it from her. So this is what she was doing. A girl, I guess. So. Yeah, so subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Road to 500 subscribers. Yeah, so please subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. So what can you tell people?
I want to tell you guys that this challenge, you think it's easy and you think you're doing the right thing until you open your eyes and you're like, what did I just draw? But anyway, it's fun. I think you guys should subscribe and you should come here and do this challenge. It's fun.
Yeah, so please subscribe. Yeah, so that was a drawing. That was the girl she drew. Let me know how you think she did. Yeah, so if you want to take part in such challenges, just subscribe. Yeah, and I think I'll call you to come and, do your best here. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, share. Yeah, so see you when you see me.